Morning folks, and welcome to Cheddleton. So yeah, Cheddleton's near Leek in Staffordshire. It's a beautiful spot. I parked here next to the railway, and this morning we're going to have a run down the River Churnet and then loop back through Consall. It's what, 6.5 miles, something like that. And anyway, come on, it's beautiful here. I'll show you the way. And we're off. Welcome to the Churnet Valley. So here's the train station. There are still steam train services running from here. It was rescued by the North Staffordshire Railway Society, and they run services between Froghall and Ipstones. Right, anyway, so we're going to head down the Churnet Valley. In the valley you've got the River Churnet and the railway line, and also the Caldon Canal, which runs from Froghall to Stoke. Yeah, so it must have been quite different here in olden days, with coal and limestone being transported down through to Stoke. And up ahead we will eventually reach some lime kilns where the coal and the limestone were put together to make quicklime. Anyway, we're going to get going now, so just sit back and relax. It's a beautiful spot, well worth a visit. We're going to head down the canal, through to Consall, and then up out of the valley and around on the top and round in a loop. It is about 6.5 miles. What an absolutely stunning morning. The sun was low, the mist was rising, it was freezing cold, but it was just so beautiful and peaceful. Anyway, the usual information. As always, there'll be a map and more information about the route up on my website, so please do go check that out. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like, because that helps more people find it. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider clicking the subscribe button. There are new routes every week, and if you subscribe, you'll get notified. And of course, if you are enjoying the videos, please do go and check out Patreon. My Patreon subscribers get early access to the content and without ads, and exclusive content. And of course, Patreon subscription really helps us to create more content for you. So do go check that out. Anyway, just sit back and relax now and enjoy the sunrise. Okay, we've reached the Consall Lime Kilns, dating back to the early 19th century. They used the coal and limestone that was being trafficked down here to produce quicklime, which is used for the production of iron, steel and paper. Also, while you're here, you might like to cross over the bridge, because opposite is the Black Lion Inn with canal side beer garden. So if you're hungry and thirsty at this point, well worth a visit. From this point, we're going to head up this enormous staircase. My legs were a bit wobbly by the time we got to the top. Okay, the path ahead is not very well marked, so I'm going to walk you through it. Up ahead, we cross the stile and then go right. There is a stile, but it's not got a marker on it. Then from there, head diagonally left towards those large trees straight ahead. Okay, we go on the path left here. It's a bit boggy, and the important thing is up ahead you want to go straight through the farmyard. Again, not very well marked ahead. You head over the stile and then bear left through the farmyard between the barns and then round to the right. Ahead there is a footpath signpost, but it's a bit vague where it is, so it's opposite the farm drive and into this field. Okay, pay careful attention. Ahead we're going to reach a stile and it's got a sign on it saying footpath straight on. According to the Ordnance Survey map, there is no footpath straight on, and I did go that way and I couldn't see any path. Anyway, we want to go right here, but there's no marker to say to turn right. So turn right. There's a smell of sulphur in the air and coal. And there's the smoke from the steam engine. So ahead, you want to stay to the left of the hedge. There is no exit from the field on the right, though you will get this lovely view of the train station if you wander around the field like I did, trying to find the way out. here we go, we're at the end, and what more can you ask for? A pub. Hope you enjoyed that today. That was lovely. The peace and quiet of the Churnet Valley was just lovely. It was really cold down there, and then up and across the top over the fields, a little bit slower going over the fields, but so beautiful. And then the views as you drop back down into the Churnet Valley. And now, I'm sorry, there's no aroma vision, but the smell of the steam engine from the train station. Lovely. Okay, I'm off to go and get my breakfast, and I'll see you all next week. Take care, folks.